Hello guys, welcome back to Smizair, and in this video we are going to make an Apple website clone. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So guys, first of all what we have to do is we have to make a new folder. So I've set the folder name as Apple Clone Website Tutorial, and I'm going to open that folder with my VS Code. Alright, so now we are going to make a new file, and first of all we are going to make the HTML file. So index.html, and then we are going to make CSS file, JavaScript file, and then we are going to make a folder named imgs, because there will be images in our folder in our project, right? So I'll close this welcome screen, and I'll close this explorer also. And here in HTML, let's first put the boilerplate template. I'll zoom in. Yeah, let's set the title Apple website clone. Okay, not clone. Now first of all, before making this, we need to know how our website looks, how the real Apple website looks. So for that I'm going to open the apple.com website. So here now you can see the Apple website has been loaded, and it looks pretty cool, right? Now we are going to make first the nav bar, but before that we are going to see which font is used, because fonts are very important. So for that I have downloaded an extension from Chrome store. You can also get this font finder. Okay, not finder. It is what font? What font, I think. What font? So if you search what font on Google, then you have to go to chrome.google.com. That is a web store, Chrome web store, and you can download this and you can use it. And I personally like this very much, because I can easily identify which font is any website using. Okay, so I am going to click on this what font icon, and here I'm going to see, okay, so SF Pro text everywhere, SF Pro display text. Okay, so everywhere SF Pro text font is used. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google Fonts. It is over here. I'm going to open fonts.google.com, and from there I'm going to see whether these fonts are available or not. So SF Pro text is not available on Google Fonts, so I'm going to find an alternative to SF Pro text, sorry. Let's use Poppins font for this one. So I think Poppins font is close. iPhone 12. Okay, here I'll write iPhone 12. So iPhone 12, and yeah, it is looking like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import this regular 401. So import, and I'll copy this text. After that I'm going to go to my VS Code, and in style.css I'm going to paste this one, and here I'm going to copy this also, font family, and here I'm going to paste it. Oh, oops. I was putting double slash comments like JavaScript. So I have imported this one, and I'll import this thin 101 also, no, extra light 200. Let's see, paste this one. Yeah, so I'm now all set for those fonts, because there is only one type of font in Apple's website, so I'm good to go. Now first we're going to make this nav bar. Okay, so let's search for which color is their background. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Okay, so I'm going to go to index.html, and let's first import our files. Okay, link CSS, style.css, yeah, and body. Inside body I'm going to write script src main.js. Okay, first of all we are going to make a nav. So inside our nav there is an Apple logo, store, Mac, iPad, phone, watch, TV, music support. Okay. So ul, and then inside that li, how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Inside it I'll put a logo, img.logo, and we'll do that later. But first let's keep the background which we had copied. First of all I'm going to write that css reset code. So star and then m0 p0. Okay, m0 p0, and then inside nav I'm going to give background color, let's say this, as I have pasted. And it is looking somewhat like this. Yeah, it is like this only. So now we all set, but we need to download those icons and all. So guys, I couldn't find that cart logo, cart icon on the web, like most accurate one. So as you can see, I browsed very much and I didn't find it. So I just to use the snipe and sketch tool which is there in Windows, and just took the screenshot of this. As you can see, it is like this. So we're going to use this one. Just going to use these icons. So first of all is our logo. So I'm going to give img dot logo. Okay, and the src is img's slash logo.png. Okay, and inside this here first is store, Mac, iPad, iPhone, watch, TV, music support. After that another img dot search, img's slash this one, and another img dot cart. So img's slash cart.jpg. Okay, let's see how our um, this is looking, website is looking. I'll add shop the live server, so I'm going to open it again with the live server. Yeah, and one thing I want to do is I'm going to turn on the screencast mode, and you'll tell me what is screencast mode. So screencast mode, let me just open it and tell you. So you have to just write s and developer tool screencast mode, and I press enter. And you see, if I type any I look, if I type the backspace, then the backspace has come, tab, then tab is coming, tab, backspace. So you can easily see what am I typing. Okay, I have turned on the screencast mode from now on, and we are going to use this one because it is very helpful. So first of all what I'm going to do is I'm going to do display flex. Okay, so I had done display flex and I don't see anything. Yeah, I have done display flex. Yeah, I get this problem, I get it, because there is just one UL. I'm going to set display flex. Now what is good, I was doing in nav only. So if there were different divs, then this would work, but there is only one item, so it won't work. And yeah, one more feature of screencast is you can see my this cursor as a round circle, so it gives better visibility. So I'm going to paste it in ul. So ul, and I paste it over here. Okay, I had already copied. So instead of ul, I'm going to write nav ul. Okay, because I may be using ul in the future. So what nav ul does is it tells that the ul which is inside nav. Okay, the ul which is inside nav, and if I just target ul, then it would apply to all the uls which I would have HTML file. If I use any other ul, then also this will apply. I don't want that. So nav ul, and this is looking very very ridiculous. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, first of all, the basic thing which everyone does, at least I and many other people that I've seen. So first li list style none, and then in nav a li a, and text decoration none. Okay, now you see it is much more readable. Not at all, I was just kidding. And let us see which is the color. I think it is a bit not white. This is not white. Yeah, look, it is this dark gray. I'm gonna copy this. Okay, so a2 and I'm gonna paste it. Color hashtag. Okay. Let's see now. I don't see anything. There is no A, that's why that was not working. I thought I had given A's, but there is no A. So now you can see the color is pretty accurate. I'm going to set white color, okay? So let's see how this C2, C2, C7, C2, C2 works. Yeah, now it is looking a bit better, okay? And I'm going to use this font. Okay, now I use Poppins. So now as you can see, our website is looking a bit better, but still we have to reduce the size of this search icon. So I'll quickly do that. Alright, um, let's go to this, and I'll add a class in this img.search. Okay, so I'm going to adjust the width, let's say 20 pixel. No, it will be very short. Let's see how this Apple website is looking. This much. I think 20 pixel was not even that bad, right? So I'm going to use 20 pixel only. So width 20 pixel. No, no, no. Yeah, this much is good. 35 pixel. Okay. So I'm going to copy this img.search and I'm going to paste it over here in my style.css. All right. Now what I'll do is I'll adjust the height of this too. Okay. Of this img.cart. Alright, so let's set the same width 35 pixel. Yeah, I think this much is good. 52 pixel is good. So I'll copy this img.cart also and I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, Shift Alt F. Wait. Shift to Alt F and it will be formatted. The document will be formatted. And as you can see now, what I'll do is why is this okay? Alright. So I have to do something in li. You know what? I'll go to this li and I'll set the display as flex and align items center. So look, this will do the work. I mean, this will center all the contents in my li. So I'm going to use this one and I'll copy this one. Nav li, I'll copy this whole. I didn't need to copy, so I'll paste it over here. Alright, oops. I'll paste this. No, wait, I'll write align items. First of all, display flex and align item center. Okay. So this will do the work, and look, everything is in center horizontally, sorry, vertically. All right. And I think the size of this height of this navbar is pretty good, right? But I need to adjust the font size, and also let's do one thing. Okay. I need to do one thing. This UL. Um, let's set this width as 80%. Okay, width. I think 70% width will be good. 70% width. It will be this much. Let's see how much. Okay, this much. And I'll set margin and auto. Now I think it is better. right? It is almost similar. Alright, now I need to adjust this Apple logo. Apple logo, it is very big. Logo, and width, let's say 55 pixel. I'll decrease it. Yeah, this much is good. No, actually it needs to be adjusted a bit more. Yeah, now it is very identical. So I'm going to copy this img.logo and I'm going to paste it over here in my after the search, let's say after li. Okay, and I forgot to copy that. Okay, no worries. So in ul, nav ul, what I'll write is I'll write width 70% and margin auto. Okay, yeah, but one more thing I need to do is I need to add let's say, yeah, I need to add margin from left and right in my allies. Okay, so let's say margin, and if I set auto, let's see, margin auto. Wait, I think it did that work, right? In just one line of code we did it, and yeah, I think it is very good. So I'm just going to copy this margin auto in nav li. I have to paste it. So in this li I'm going to paste this margin auto over here. Okay, now it is looking very good, but I still need to reduce the font size. So the font size, okay, I not set the font size. So font size 18 pixel. I think 14 pixel is very good. Okay, 14 pixel is will do the work. So I'm going to copy this 14 pixel and I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, 14 pixel. Now our website is looking pretty much like Apple's one, but what I'll do is I'll take a screenshot of this, only this much portion of my nav. Let I'll zoom in, only this much portion, and then I'll use it as a background. Okay, in our nav bar, because this is looking very bad, right? This is of this grayish type of color, but this is like gradient, kind of gradient, like above it is a black and in the downside it is somewhat whitish. So I'm going to take a screenshot. So and I'm going to save this as um, nav navbg.jpg. Okay, in my imgs. So I've saved it as navbg.jpg and I'm just trying it. So instead of background color, I'll comment this out and I'm going to write a background, and here I'll write url and imgs slash navbg.jpg, and I'll write background size cover actually, bgs background size, not contain, cover. Okay, let's see. But still I don't expect this. It is looking very blackish, whilst this is gradient type of thing. So actually I'll set contain. Let's see how is contain. Yeah, perfect. Contain is what I want. So I'll copy this contain and I'm pasting it over here instead of cover. Oh wait, container. So contain, I'm going to use contain, and now look, it is looking almost like Apple's website. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the width a little bit because it is overflowing, as you can see. Now I'm going to reduce the height. Wait, let me reload it so it will be where it was previously, and I'm going to reduce the height. Let's see what is the current height. It is 44 pixel, but it will be near 44 pixel, not exactly. So I'm going to set 40 pixel. If I reduce this, why is this overflowing? I don't understand. You see, that is overflowing. Our img.cart is overflowing from this field div. So what I'll do is, inside our nav, if I set overflow hidden, then what will happen? Nothing. So I get an idea what to do over here. I'll set a particular height of this nav. Okay, uh, the current height is 44 pixel, so I'll set the height as 44 pixel. So this is a fixed height, and if I increase it a little bit, now see, the overflowing is hidden over here. Now I'll copy this height 45 pixel and I'll paste it in my nav. Okay, so here after contain, I'll paste it over here. 45 pixel will be the height of my navbar, and now see, our website is looking very identical to that Apple clone, to Apple's website basically. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set cursor pointer on these LIs. Okay, li and cursor pointer. Now you see it is looking very good. See, cursor pointer, and it is somewhat similar in Apple's case, right? So cursor pointer looks very good. Now we are done with our navbar part. We are now going to move over to this main container, which is the home section. I think there is no home. Store, Mac, iPad, iPhone, watch, TV, music, support. Probably the most list items in the navbar I have ever seen. Okay, so now let's make this a div. So if we are going to make, I think this is store, right? No, it is not even store. Okay, so store is a different div, so I'll make it in container div. Okay, nav, and after this nav I'm going to just collapse this nav, and after instead of that I'm going to write dot container. Okay, and here I'll write let's say home dot sect dot home, means section, and the class will be home. Okay, so first of all we are going to make this div. Let's leave this div. Yeah, we are going to make, because we are making a perfect clone, nobody should be able to say which is different. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is section home, and after that let's say div dot top. Okay, top content. Okay, and after that I'm going to set iPhone 12 dot iPhone 12. Okay, so now here what I'll do is I'm going to download that image which was there of Apple iPhone 12, basically the image which was there on the home page of. So again I'm going to use that snipe and sketch tool, that only this part, and this all part we are going to make by coding. If I wanted, then I can snipe and sketch this whole div, but yeah, that is not good, it is cheating. Okay, anybody can do that, right? So now I'm going to save this as iPhones. Okay, iPhones.jpg. I'm going to save it as iPhones.jpg. I'm going to close it, and here I'm going to first I'm going to first write this iPhone 12 text blast past fast. Okay, and then a full stop, then p dot, what should I name this div? Sorry, what should I name this paragraph tag? From info, let's say p dot buying info. Okay, so p dot buying info. Okay, what is the text? I'll copy this. No, I can't. Wow. From dollar. Okay, I'll set it into a time lapse, and then you enjoy the time lapse. Okay guys, finally I've done writing this all text, and now I'm going to make this a tag. Okay, so a dot hyperlinks, div dot hyperlinks, div dot hyperlinks links. I'll make it in a div. Sorry, I'll give it an id instead of class, because I might need to use another, like another hyperlinks div, so I don't want any consequences. So learn more. So a dot first hype, and then by. Okay, so a dot. All right, the hyperlinks are created. Learn more and buy, and then I'm going to give this image. So um, img I'm img dot iPhones dot no imgs slash iPhones dot jpg. I haven't even checked how my this is looking. Ridiculous indeed. So I'm going to use that font all over here. So in div dot iPhone 12, okay, in div dot iPhone 12 I'm going to use which font? Poppins, right? Poppins font we are going to use. Okay, yeah, now it's looking better. Now I need to make this iPhone, but first of all what we're going to do is we are going to set like make this div dot container, not main text container. Yeah, we are going to make this container display flex and flex direction, yes, flex direction column. Okay, and then align item, yeah, align item center. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Well, actually I needed to do that in iPhone 12, right? iPhone 12, iPhone 12. So dot iPhone, again I was writing iPhone 12. Yeah, now it is better, because that was useless, right? So in iPhone 12, and my document will be formatted. Now I need some space from the top. First we are going to make this div also. So yeah, thank god we have an option to copy. So in our top content we are going to paste it this, uh, where, why is this whole a hyperlink? This whole is a hyperlink. If you by mistakenly touch this, then you go to another website, on another page. So I'm going to make this a hyperlink and this a hyperlink. Shop in a store or shop online. Okay, yeah, now it's good. um yeah, you see. And then I'm going to give some margin from top to this div. Okay, so div class iPhone 12, right? So I'm going to set margin and then top 20 pixel. If I increase this, um yeah, I think 20 pixel is good, because we are going to increase this height also. So I think 20 pixel, sorry, 33 pixel will do for now. If we feel the need, we can increase it anytime. It is, there is no restriction. Whew. Okay, now I'm going to increase the height of iPhone 12. So iPhone p dot main text font size. Let us see how much is the font size. And there is one more feature of what font is that you click on it and you can see what is the size. 17 pixel. I don't think so it is 17 pixel. 17 pixel is very less. this, but we will do it manually. So I'm going to again open my inspect, and here I'm going to type font size and then 20 pixel, which will be very less. Yeah, this much. I think I need to set font weight bold also. Font weight, I think we will need to reduce I mean reduce the margin top. 500, no, we need to decrease the font size. Font size 60 pixel, no. Yeah, 55 pixel is good. Font weight, font weight, 500. Yeah, 500 is good. I think 600, 600 do. Yeah, I think 600. 600 font weight, 600. 600. Yeah, 600. And now I'm going to copy this main text and I'm going to paste it in my VS Code. So after the iPhone text, I'm going to paste main text. And yeah, now I need to increase the height, sorry, the font size of this blast fast. Okay. And second text, font size 20 pixel. Yeah, I think 22 pixel is good. We can make the changes in like later on also if we feel. So I'm going to set, wait, first of all I'm going to reload, so those all that bug will be gone. And here what I'll do is I'll give margin from top and bottom. No, only from top, I think. Yeah, top and bottom. Okay, so buying info and margin top 10 pixel. Yeah, I think this much is good. Yeah, actually margin, I'll set margin, only margin, not 8 pixel, 8 pixel and 0. Yeah. Now I think I feel it's better, so I'll copy this. No, first I need to set the font color gray, only color gray. Okay, color and gray. Yeah, so I'll copy this p dot buying info and I'll paste it over here. Now look, it's so much, they are so much identical, right? Actually from these things. So I need to decrease the height, the size of this. Okay, most of the times by adjusting the width, it does, like it does your job. Okay, 1192, I'll set it like width 900 pixel. Is that, yeah, 900 pixel. I think I'm just perfect at this. Yeah, so I'll copy this iPhones to give margin from top to this iPhone 12. Okay, I need to increase the margin top to this iPhone 12 div. So margin top, I'll increase it. No, I need to increase this a little bit. Okay. Sorry, I need to decrease it a little bit. I meant to say this, and I'll decrease it. Yeah, 83 pixel is, I think, best. iPhone 12. Where's iPhone 12? I'll paste it over here. 83 pixel. Yeah. You see how good am I at it? How good I am at it. So if I set, I think it is good, but I need to adjust. Wait, I'll give a similar class. Okay, so we have hyperlink. So hyperlink is a similar class which I have given. hyperlink, yeah, a dot hyperlink, and margin 0 from top bottom 0, and then 20 pixel. Let's see. I think this is looking good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my eyedropper tool, and I'm going to see which is the font color that they have used. So royal blue, I'm going to copy this, and here I'll write color, not font color, color, hashtag, and I'll paste it, and I'll set text decoration none, TDN, that is a short form, text decoration none. Okay, so TDN, text decoration none, and you see it's looking so identical, right? Now what I'll do is I'll make this text decoration underline on the hover of A. Okay, so A dot hyperlink and hover. If you hover on A dot hyperlink, then what you do, text decoration underline. Okay, make the text decoration underline. So you see, right, it is good. So now what we are going to do is we are going to style the upper part. All right, we are going to style this upper part which is there. So now I'm going to set I think font family it's Poppins only, right? Yeah, Poppins. So now what I'm going to do is over iPhone 12, I like to keep things in the order. Okay, I like to keep things in order, like top content is on the top before iPhone 12, so I'll set the stylings also before iPhone 12. So top content, okay, and then font family, okay. So now you see I'm going to decrease the font size because it is a lot. Font size 18 pixel, let's say. um, yeah, I think this much. What is 16 pixel, 14 pixel? Okay, I think you won't be able to see this, so I'm going to lower this a little bit, and I'm going to decrease the size of this. Wait, decrease the size of this, yeah. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the center. Okay, top content, text align center. Nice. Now what we are going to do, padding. We are going to give padding from top and from bottom. So padding at 20 pixel. No, 20 pixel is a lot. 8 pixel and 0 means 8 pixel padding from top and bottom, and 0 pixel padding from sides. Okay, so I'm going to copy this whole, and I'm going to paste it over here like this. And now I'm going to use again my um, color picker tool or eyedropper tool, and I'm going to click on this, so this will be selected white smoke. Okay, F5, F5, F7. So I'm going to set background color hashtag F5, F5, F7. Okay, but I feel like this has a different font. I'm going to use the font which is similar to Poppins, but it is lighter, and I know one font, Montserrat. Oh, sorry, Montserrat. Yeah, this one. So I'm going to use this light 300, let's say thin 101 of this monospace, and remove this Poppins, and I'll import this one. So I'm going to comment this Poppins out, and I'm going to paste this monospace over here. And okay, so actually it should be even more brighter. And why is it not black? It is black. Um, it is so lightweight. 600, yeah, 600. I think this much is good. So I'm going to use this font weight 600. Okay, in here. Done. And now our home screen looks somewhat identical to Apple's, but we still have some work to do. um, so inside this a dot hype, I'm going to make top content, and then a dot hype. Okay, a dot hype, and then what I'm going to do is color, and I'm going to set the same color which I had done with the previous A's hyperlink. So I'm going to copy this color. Actually, I'll copy this line only, and I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, so color this, and now you see, same thing I have to do. I'll just control D and height and text decoration none over here. Yeah, now you see. Oh, I was in apples. Yeah, so now our website is looking very similar to Apple's website. Okay guys, so this was it for this video. I think this video has gone, I think, over 30 minutes. So yeah, this was it for the video, and this in the next video we are going to continue making this Apple's website. It is very big, right? It is big. So it will take time for us to make this whole website. Obviously we are going to we're not going to make this whole store, Mac, iPad. I'm not going to make that all. I'm just going to make this much, this one single page. Alright guys, so this was it for the video. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, then click the like button, and also subscribe to Smazer for more videos like this. This was it for the video. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.